In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Paysend account. So first, you're going to want to put in your phone number. Next, put in your email. Next, you're going to agree to this. Just press continue. Press agree. And they're going to give you an SMS. And when it says welcome to Paysend, just keep pressing continue, and you want to give all this information in. If you want to be honest about your occupation, be honest, but if you don't care, just put some random stuff and put the purpose to the account to for what you're doing. If you want to send funds to family members abroad, put that. Put in your and boom, now you're logged into your Paysend account. You could earn 54 Canadian dollars, and you could from here you could press send money, and you could pick myself, somewhere else, or a business or organization. And yeah, that's basically it.